Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. This mini documentary was produced by Vallone, founder of Classic VW BuGs. Picture yourself back in 1938, a time when the world was on the brink of war and a small, quirky car was just making its debut. Our story begins in a period of immense change, where political tensions and economic fluctuations were the order of the day. This volatile climate heavily influenced the automotive industry, prompting the need for a practical, affordable vehicle. Amidst the turmoil and transformation, a little car named Beetle was born, destined to leave a significant mark in the automotive world. Emerging from these difficult times, the Beetle embarked on a journey that would see it become a symbol of simplicity, reliability, and the democratization of mobility. The Beetle's story is one of humble beginnings, evolving into an icon for the masses. Its simple design and affordability put it within reach of the common man, fostering a love affair with the Beetle that spanned decades and crossed continents. Its unique shape, a far cry from the boxy designs of its contemporaries, offered a breath of fresh air, and the public couldn't get enough. But what set the Beetle apart was more than just its distinct appearance. It defied conventional norms with its air-cooled rear engine. This groundbreaking feature was unheard of at the time, shaking up the automotive industry and making the Beetle a true pioneer. The Beetle wasn't just a car, it was a statement, a testament to the power of innovation and thinking outside the box. But the Beetle's journey doesn't stop at its technical achievements. It also made a significant cultural impact. Its popularity surged in the 1960s, becoming synonymous with the counterculture movement that defined this era. The Beetle was more than just a mode of transportation, it was a symbol of freedom, independence, and non-conformity. It starred in films, graced the covers of albums, and became a mainstay in popular culture. The Beetle's legacy is not just about the numbers it sold or the awards it won, it's about the lives it touched, the memories it created, and the societal norms it challenged. The Beetle was a game changer, a phenomenon that transcended the automotive world to become a cultural icon. It was a car for the people, a car that democratized mobility and brought the joy of driving to the masses. The Beetle, with its distinctive shape, not only revolutionized the car industry, but also captured the hearts of millions around the world. From its humble beginnings to its iconic status, the Beetle's journey is indeed a testament to its enduring appeal and groundbreaking design. This tiny titan revolutionized the automotive industry, proving that size isn't everything. The Beetle's societal impact, far-reaching and profound, reshaped our perception of what a car could be. Its legacy, a continued relevance that inspires and challenges the norm. Even today, the Beetle continues to inspire, reminding us of a time when a small, quirky car could capture the world's imagination.